All right, what are we doing today, Luca?
We're gonna fix these.
What are those?
And those are Endbells.
For electric motors?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's wrong with them? Are the bearing surfaces worn out in there?
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna set them up over here on this machine?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one's ready to go. Okay, Luca, what's the first rule in the machine shop?
Safety glasses.
Okay, get them on then.
We're gonna flip this on so we can put this on.
Okay.
So the light now. I'm gonna very touch the part. I'm gonna move the drill for 50,000. I'm gonna push this lever down.
Okay.
Now this is moving now, and that is moving fast. So they're the same risers. Now we're gonna bore down and put the sleeves in. Loctite on. So now we're gonna smash this. Now we have to face the sleeve. Now we have to put the small tractor on. Now we're gonna bore on to the very sides. I'm gonna make a stew while I work. Gotta bore down some respect. Do you know what you're doing? I need to show you.